So we don't always have to practice with our accordion. My accordion's all the way over there. I usually sit over here when I'm drinking my coffee and having breakfast. My piano's right here. Let me show you what hyper-targeted practice looks like. Doesn't have to be 15 minutes. I usually practice a few times a day for 10 to 30 seconds at a time. Here's a passage I've been having trouble with. That's the incorrect fingerings. Let me show you some alternatives. Yeah. So again, my practice is in that fingering. It's in sliding my thumb under my F major scale, going up and down.